Extinguishing foam is made by adding air to a mixture of water and foam concentrate, in this case as high-expansion foam. This video focuses on proportioning foam concentrate and water. We are now in the technical room of an extinguishing foam system. This is where foam concentrate is mixed with the extinguishing water before it's transported through pipes to the foam makers. The red tank is a bladder tank, which along with a mixer creates foam for the high-expansion foam system. The pump, black tank, and an ingenious control system come together to form an electronic foam proportioning system. In this video, we're going to show how this system works. The roof monitor system has a capacity of 500 liters per minute and is used as an extinguishing system with low expansion foam. The InnoVfoam control system adjusts the speed of the foam concentrate pump, ensuring the correct proportioning percentage. The electronic control system makes sure that the speed of the foam concentrate pump is instantly changed if the flow of the extinguishing foam system changes. This is especially important for sprinkler systems, where the number of sprinklers being operated can change very quickly. As soon as several systems are activated simultaneously, the system flow changes. Low expansion foam from the roof monitor and medium expansion foam from the medium expansion foam system are now working at the same time. Now that the roof monitor system is supplemented with the medium expansion foam system, the capacity instantly changes to 2,300 liters per minute. To maintain the proportioning percentage, the control system automatically corrects the pump speed. The electronic foam proportioning system can be tested for correct operation without consuming foam concentrate. A return pipe to the black foam concentrate tank has been installed for this purpose. When a flow change with water is triggered in the system, the corresponding foam concentrate percentage is returned to the tank via the return pipe. The InnoVfoam electronic foam proportioning system is constructed according to NFPA 11 and is in the process of being approved by VDS. For more information about this innovative foam proportioning system or other extinguishing foam systems, please contact InnoVfoam.